chicken Chettinad.
Hi food lovers, welcome back to my channel at Chevli, where we cook up authentic and delicious recipes from around the world. Episode 19 of 100 non-veg recipes. Today we are making aromatic, spicy and absolutely mouth-watering dish from South India, chicken Chettinad. It's a rich blend of coconut, chicken and spices. Believe me, this will make your kitchen smell amazing. So let us get started. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you.
Cooking with Chevli is an amazing experience. For Chettinad chicken, marinate 500 grams of chicken with salt, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon haldi powder, that is turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Mix well. Keep marinated chicken aside. For making Chettinad Masala, take non-stick fry pan. Add 2 teaspoon whole coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon whole cumin seeds, that is jeera, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, that is sauf, 1 teaspoon black peppercorns, 5 to 6 red chilies whole, 4 to 5 cloves, that is long, and 4 green cardamoms and 1 each cinnamon stick. Roast for 1 minute on low flame, and after 1 minute add 1 teaspoon poppy seeds, that is khaskhas. Roast for half minute more and add half cup grated coconut. Stir well and roast till coconut changes its color. Turn off the gas and let the content cool down. When cool down, transfer contents to the grinder jar. Cut 1 each ginger piece into small pieces and add to grinder jar. Add 5 to 6 garlic cloves and a few curry patta, that is neem patta. Grind to smooth powder. The powder is our Chettinad Masala powder. In a fry pan, heat 40 grams of oil. When oil is hot, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, that is jeera, and 1 teaspoon fennel seeds, that is sauf. When splutter, add a few curry leaves, that is neem patta. After half minute, add 250 grams chopped onions. Saute till golden brown. When onion is golden brown, add 200 grams chopped tomatoes. Add salt to taste to enhance the process of softening of tomatoes. Please remember that we added salt while marinating chicken. When tomatoes are soft, add marinated chicken. Wash the bowl in which we marinated chicken and add to chicken. Saute the chicken on medium flame for 7 to 8 minutes till it changes its color. Chicken is turned white. Now add Chettinad Masala powder which we prepared earlier. Mix well and stir. Roast for 5 minutes more and add 1.5 cups of water. Mix well. When bubbles, add half teaspoon Garam Masala powder, 1 teaspoon chicken masala powder. Stir and mix well. When gravy bubbles, cover the lid. Pour water on lid. Cook for 35 to 40 minutes on low flame. In between, check the chicken whether it sticks to bottom or not. Gravy seems thick, so we will add some hot water. Adjust consistency according to your liking. At this stage, adjust the taste of salt also. Cover the lid again and cook the chicken till it is tender. Overall, 40 minutes passed. Now open the lid and check the chicken. Look at the brilliant brown color, which is the main characteristic of Chettinad chicken. Take out a piece and check whether it is tender or not. It is tender. Now add 2 teaspoons Kasuri Methi, that is dry fenugreek leaves. Add 1 tablespoon Kevda water, that is crew pine water. Sprinkle chopped fresh coriander leaves. Cover the lid and simmer for 5 minutes on low flame. Turn off the gas after 5 minutes and open the lid. Our Chettinad chicken is ready to be served.